You are not being demanding enough. If you have a supervisor, a boss, an advisor, a mentor, an instructor, a parent, a sibling, etc., you need to ask more of that person or those people so that you can learn from their collective wisdom. Too many of us make the same mistakes that people around us have already made because we don't spend enough time and effort learning from those other people. As a result, we fail to prepare ourselves for when great opportunities arise. In fact, we often are oblivious to those great opportunities. We spend time, effort, and emotion doing things that we'll later learn were pretty much worthless, and we'll ignore the people who really matter. So to fix this problem, identify at least 3 or 4 or 5 people in your life who have experience that has led them to either great successes or great failures or even just a mediocre life. Ask them explicitly, what worked for them? What didn't work for them? What would they do the same and what would they do differently? On which tasks or learning would they spend more time or less time? And which people would they spend more time with if they could do it over again? Ask them sincerely for their advice on how you can be more successful in various aspects of your life. But to make this work, you need to go a few steps further. To learn from the wisdom of others, ask those with experience for their advice. Write down what you learn from them, and then create a plan to put into action your newfound knowledge. Don't forget to let them know how grateful you are that they shared their wisdom with you. I'm Anthony Miyazaki, and this has been the Marketing Minute. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the future Marketing Minute videos.